Hi, today I'm going to be telling you how you can get 3 months free for $1 in Shopify. So, when you first log into Shopify, you'll get a 3-day free trial, right? And then after that, it's just $1 per month. I'll show you right now. So, first, when you click on here, the start free trial here, you'll see here again, you say it gets 3 days free and then 1 month for $1. I'm going to sign up real quick here. Sign up with email. I'm just going to use a temp mail here as an example. Give it a second. I'm going to use this temporary email just as a example to all of you. Great. Okay, here you go. Copy. I'm gonna use this email and I'm going to do a password right here. Create Shopify account. Now, when you sign up here, it'll provide you with its own startup here. I'm just going to breeze through it real quick. And after this, it'll show you the option of the $1 per month thing. Here it is. See, you can get any of these plans for only $1.